Hello, welcome to Coding for Kids by Kids. And today we're going to be doing variables on output variables. Output variables. The Python print function is often used to output variables. Example, x equals Python is awesome. Print x. And because x equals Python, it will print out Python x equals Python is awesome. It will print out Python is awesome. In the print function, you output multiple variables separated by a comma. Example, x equals Python, y equals is, and z equals awesome. So print is x, y, and z. And you put those commas there to kind of connect them together. And it connects all of those words together to make Python is awesome, as shown of here. And you can also use the operator to output multiple variables. An example for this is x equals Python, y equals Python is, and z equals Python is awesome. Print x plus y plus z, and that will put all of them together. But you have to be careful for this one because there's a space needed for this. If not, it will all print it in just a blob of letters. Notice that the space after Python, and yeah, this is basically what I just said. So just make sure if you're doing this, just make sure you put a space. And plus the plus works as a mathematical operator. And another example, x equals 5 and y equals 10. Print x plus y. Then that's easy. Just x is basically just kind of like algebra. You know, algebra you would do in school. 5 would equal x and 10 would equal y, and that will be 15. In the print function, when you try to combine a string and the number with the operator, the plus operator, Python will give you an error. So if you put x equals 5 and y equals John, then print x plus y, I don't think that will do much if you're trying to add a number to a word. So that's probably why it's giving you an error, because the 5 is numerical, but the John is not. The best way to output multiple variables in the print function is to separate them with commas, which even support different data types. An example for this is x equals 5, y equals John. Print x, comma, y. And this actually works because you're not like adding them together, you're just putting them next to each other. So that will just put, I'm guessing, 5 John. Yes, just 5 John. So what we learned today is the output of variables. For example, x equals Python is awesome, then print x, which is Python is awesome. Python is awesome, which is Python x, y is z awesome, and x, y, z with commas in between. Then you can also do the same thing with actually just addition symbols there and space after Python and is. And you can also just do something like algebra here. X equals 5, y equals 10, x plus y, 15. And this you shouldn't try to add up things that don't go in order. And you can put them together by putting a comma in between. So it just makes x equals 5, 5 there, y, John there, and it'll just make 5 John. And that's what we learned today. And I hope everyone